Creating content is hard, but these 4 programs can make your life a lot easier. Let's get right into it. Are you curious how editors are able to find that exact movie phrase they are looking for to go along with their video?
Suspense is killing me.
Well, the answer is PlayPhrase. PlayPhrase contains over 2 million phrases from your favorite movies and television shows with the ability to search exact keywords to find the perfect movie to go along with your video. There is a limited service available that is free, but if you want to upgrade, you can go through Patreon and you can get the full paid service.
But I subscribe to the unadvised
Life.
Sound is nearly 50% of your video, and unfortunately, YouTube does not provide us with copyright-free music like they did in the past. That's where Epidemic Sound comes in. I've used a lot of royalty-free music in my career, and I can say that Epidemic Sound has the most versatile library to date, with music and SFX to actually aid your storytelling ability. Feel free to use this referral code on screen for a discounted offer. Sometimes you can't get the words to come out properly, and that's fine, we're only human. So why not use artificial intelligence to rework your script to craft a more compelling sentence structure? ChatGPT is a great free asset for copywriting. If I'm ever struggling with a script or ideas, I'll usually default to God almighty. If I'm ever struggling with ideas, I usually default to ChatGPT for ideas or to help me rework my sentence structure in my script. ChatGPT is free and a great asset for creators. Last on my list is Envato Elements. I don't have the time to go out and get the shots that I need, nor do I have friends that I can film eating tacos, because I don't have friends. But Envato Elements does. Envato Elements is a great resource for whatever you might need in your storytelling process. At a low rate of $16 a month, it's a great investment for content creators. To learn more about creating videos or creating a better life for yourself, consider hitting that subscribe button. And while you're down there, if you could hit the like button, I would really appreciate it as it helps smaller channels such as myself. Take care.